Let's begin this meditation. It will last approximately 12 minutes. Begin by finding a comfortable place where you will not be disturbed. Now, in a comfortable seated position, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Allow your body to settle into a relaxed posture and bring your attention to the present moment. Just breathe in and out. Now shift your focus to your body. Start at the top of your head and slowly bring your awareness down through your body, noticing any sensations, tension, or areas of discomfort. As you scan each part of your body, imagine your breath flowing into that area, releasing any tension as you exhale. Let us begin. Focus on your head, the top of your head, the forehead, the eyes, the nose, ears, your cheeks, mouth, chin, neck. Now focus on your shoulders. Focus on your arms. Focus on your chest. Go down your chest to your stomach, to your belly button, downwards to your groin area, down your thighs, your knees, your shins, lower legs and feet. Take your time. Adjust yourself slowly if you wish, but allow yourself to fully connect with each part of your body. Notice any sensations, tension, or areas of discomfort. Notice them and let them go. Let them go. Take your time. Allow yourself to fully connect with yourself, with each part of your body. Now, as we bring attention to our breath, notice the natural rhythm of your breathing without trying to change it. There's no need to change your breathing. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest, or the sensation of the breath at your nostrils as you breathe in and out. As you breathe in now, silently count 1, and as you breathe out, silently count 1. Continue this count up to 10, and then start over. If your mind wanders, gently guide yourself back to the breath, to the present moment, and the counting. So inhale 1, exhale 1, inhale 2, exhale 2, inhale 3, exhale 3, inhale 4, exhale 4, inhale 5, exhale 5, inhale 6, exhale 6, inhale 7, exhale 7, inhale 8, exhale 8, inhale 9, exhale 9, inhale 10, exhale 10. Just do this again for yourself. Let's do this. Inhale and exhale. Now imagine yourself in a peaceful and serene natural setting. It could be a beach, a forest, a meadow, or any place that brings you a sense of calm. Visualize the details, the colors, the textures, the sounds, the smells. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin, the warmth of the sun, or the softness of the grass beneath you. Allow yourself to immerse in this tranquil environment. Now, we will say some quotes. The quotes will last approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Each quote has a meaning. Once you listen to the quote, digest it, let it be, and let it go. And let the quotes go into you, and let them go. There's no need to hold on to anything. Let us begin. Time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. Life is like a game of cards. The hand you are dealt is determinism. The way you play it is free will. Children are like buds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. It is far better to know our own weaknesses and failures than to point out those of others. Success often comes to those who dare to act. It seldom goes to the timid, who are never afraid of the consequences. There is only one thing that remains for us that cannot be taken away: to act with courage and dignity, and to stick to the ideals that are given meaning to life. The future belongs to science and those who make friends with science. Failure comes only when we forget our ideals and objectives and principles. You can tell the condition of a nation by looking at the status of its women. People avoid action, often because they are afraid of the consequences. For action means risk and danger. Danger seems terrible from a distance. It is not so bad if you have a close look at it. Now, as you stand or sit or lie down in your peaceful, serene environment, just take in your surroundings, take in the words of the quotes, and let them go. Let everything go. Feel safe, feel calm, feel focused, feel confident. Now concentrate on your breath again. Keep concentrating on your breath. Breathe in and out normally, naturally. In and out normally. Your presence in this environment is making you focused, is making you sharper, is making you more confident. Just keep breathing in and out. You're feeling calm, you're feeling focused, you're feeling at one with your surroundings. You're feeling peaceful, you're feeling calm, you're feeling focused. You're feeling more and more relaxed. You remember some of the words of the quotes. You remember them. You cannot let them go. What we will do now is we will listen to those words again. We will listen to those quotes again. Time is not measured by the passing of years, but by what one does, what one feels, and what one achieves. Life is like a game of cards. The hand you are dealt is determinism. The way you play it is free will. Children are like buds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. It is far better to know our own weaknesses and failures than to point out those of others. Success often comes to those who dare to act. It seldom goes to the timid, who are never afraid of the consequences. There is only one thing that remains for us that cannot be taken away: to act with courage and dignity, and to stick to the ideals that have given meaning to life. The future belongs to science and those who make friends with science. Failure comes only when we forget our ideals and objectives and principles. You can tell the condition of a nation by looking at the status of its women. People avoid action, often because they are afraid of the consequences, for action means risk and danger. Danger seems terrible from a distance. It is not so bad if you have a close look. As you have taken in these words, these quotes, you're feeling much more calmer, much more peaceful, much more focused. Your mind, your body, your spirit are here in this serene environment. As you're breathing in and out, you feel at one with your surroundings. You feel you can do anything in the world. You have a purpose. You have a mission. You have a life. You matter. You matter not just to yourself, but to others. There's a reason why you are here. Just keep breathing in and out. Just breathe in and out. Remain focused. Remain focused within this environment. You can feel a gentle light surrounding you. A gentle light is surrounding you, and you're feeling much more calmer, much more peaceful, much more focused. This light is full of wisdom. This light is part of you, and it is embracing you. It is embracing you. It is surrounding you. You're feeling more powerful, more focused, more calmer. You're feeling you can do anything. Any distractions that arise, gently guide your attention back to here, to the present moment. Let go of any thoughts that pull you away from these experiences within this serene environment. Now gradually remember where you are, not in these serene surroundings, but where you really are, where your body is, where you are resting in this environment, where you're resting, where you're really resting, where you really exist. Bring back your awareness to the room that you're in. Bring back your awareness to the walls, the ceiling, the floor. Remember where the window is and the door. Remember the city you're in, or the town, or the village, or wherever you are. Do not open your eyes. Remember where you are. Just let yourself be. Just keep breathing in and out. You're away from your serene surroundings. You're away from your peaceful and natural environment where you were. You are here now in the present moment. You're taking everything in. You're taking the sounds, the smells, the feelings in, where you really exist, where you really are. Gently open your eyes. Gently open your eyes. Do not move. Now gently wiggle your hands and your toes. Look at your hands. Just cusp the hands, bring the hands together as if you're taking some water in your hands and gently move your hands over your face, over your head and neck. You're feeling nice and relaxed. You're feeling at peace. You're feeling calm. Thank you.